Right, people, this is the final video on the Audi TT we purchased from Copart. It has been a mammoth undertaking because I just had to have it right. We've had new wheels, we've had new tyres, we've had new brakes, we've had everything painted. We even discovered on the very last video that somebody has helped themselves to the Bose amplifier. Was this stolen? It's very, very odd, the fact that the car's had a front end, it's been lifted, it's gone to salvage, and the Bose amplifier's been stolen. So, we've been all around the world to try and get this Bose amplifier, and I'm pleased to tell you, we did manage to source one with the bracket for just over £300. So, that is now in, and you know we would only do it properly, and it is all working. So, I'll tell you what, let's go crunch the numbers. Right then, everybody, this is the Crunch the Numbers video. I just want to say something. I could have done this a lot cheaper, but I have not got it in me. Those wheels needed doing, we did the wheels. The tyres needed doing, we did all four. We didn't scrimp, and it's not how I do things. And you will see that in this, well, when we go through this. So, you will be pleased to know we purchased that 2009 Audi TT 2-litre TFSI for £525. Front end damage, headlight, bonnet, grille, surrounds missing. All the wheels need doing. All the tyres need doing. Also, no locking wheel bolts supplied with the vehicle. But it does run, it does start, it seems to drive so far. But a little bit of work to do. See the twin exhausts there, we've got the spoiler there. But I'm gonna have to get the locking wheel bolts off. It's gonna need tyres, it's gonna need wheel refurbs. It's got a little bit of damage on the rear bumper there, which I need to sort. The wheels, I've probably seen better days, but we'll do that. Same thing again, wheels need a decent refurb, but what do you reckon, guys? What do you reckon? The auction fees were £292.80p. We then bought the bonnet, the rad pack, the front grille, which was the RS grille. We bought the locking wheel removal kit. We bought the headlight. The headlight alone was £156, so it was very expensive. The bonnet release. We had the alloys refurbished, which we did ourselves. So, that is the Audi wheels refurbished with brand new tyres. Look at the pop on that black. Because you know how we do it. We had a set of number plates. We had new tyres. We had the fog lights around, which, to be honest, I think we ended up getting it from Audi, which was 43 quid, which is crazy, but it's the way it was. Then we took the bonnet to the painters with the bumper. That was about 330 quid by the time we'd done the bonnet, the bumper. I put a new caliper on it. We did the caliper paint. We did the MOT. I fixed the glove box. We did the Bose amplifier, which was £310.60. So, the total cost for buying that car, bearing in mind we only bought it for £525. The total cost was £2,905.05. So when you look at what we've actually spent on it to what we originally bought it for, it's astronomical. You know, it's like nearly £2,500 to get all of that done with the fees, the tyres and everything. So £2,905.05. We are going to ask for this car £3,500. This car for £3,500 is an absolute steal. That will give us a pre-tax profit. And bearing in mind, I did not think I was going to be using the word profit in this video. It will give us a pre-tax profit of £594.95. Yes, a profit. So if anyone wants that vehicle, it's £3,500. And it will just be a case of you just PM me and then we'll take it from there, guys. So if you haven't seen the previous build videos from when we bought it, the good thing is the car was registered as a Cat S. There was no structural damage. It had literally hit a deer. It was all sacrificial stuff on the front. None of it was structural. You'll see that in the build video, so you can have a look for yourself. So don't forget to catch up on the series. And that is another one done from us, guys. So a profit of £594 after all that work. So some will say that was a lot of work for the money. I agree. It was a lot of work for the money, but we only have one way of fixing things. And that is why it has taken us this long to get this video out. I would not settle for second best. So £3,500. What is the next car we'll be building? So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.